Come on, Kaden. Yes. No. No, we need to go inside. It's raining out, Kaden. Come on. Nope. Come on. No, we live over here. Come on. No. You want cookies? You don't want any cookies. I have proof that you said you don't want no cookies. All right, I'm going to go eat some cookies now. Bye. Bye.